Hello everyone. Do you know how to find the greatest number? In this video, I am going to tell you how to find the greatest number if some numbers are given. This type of questions are generally asked in Cambridge exams or CAT, MAT and other competitive exams. So let's start. So in this question, we have to find the greatest number. First of all, we can write root 2 equal to 2 raised to the power 1 by 2. Now 6 root of 3 equal to 3 raised to the power 1 by 6. Cube root of 4, we can write 4 raised to the power 1 by 3. And fourth root of 5, we can write 5 as 1 by 4. So we have powers 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 3 and 4. Now we know that we can find first LCM of 2, 6, 3 and 4. Means powers denominator LCM. First we find the powers denominator LCM. And we know that LCM of 2, 6, 3 and 4 is 12. So now every power denominator, we want to change it as 12. So we can do one thing, that 2 1 by power 1 by 2, we multiplied by 6 and divide by 6. So we have 2 raised to the power 6 by 12. Means in power denominator we have 12. Similarly, 3 raised to the power 1 by 6, we can write like 1 by 6. So multiply and divide by 2. And third one 4 1 by 3, and we multiplied by 4 by multiply and divide by 4 by 4. And 5 raised to the power 1 by 4, we multiplied this by 3 by 3. Now we have 2 raised to the power 6 by 12, 3 raised to the power 2 by 12, 4 raised to the power 4 by 12 and 5 raised to the power 3 by 12. Now we have 12 in the denominator, power denominator, and this is equal to, we can write 2 raised to the power 6, 1 by 12, 3 raised to the power 2, 1 by 12, 4 raised to the power 4, power 1 by 12 and 5 raised to the power 3, power 1 by 12. And this is equal to 2 raised to the power 6 means 64 power 1 by 12. 64 power 1 by 12. This is equal to 3 raised to the power 2, 9. 9 raised to the power 1 by 12. 4 raised to the power 4 means 256 power 1 by 12. And 5 raised to the power 3 means 125. 125 power 1 by 12. So now we have same power 1 by 12 and the greatest number is 256. Greatest number is 256. So this one is the greatest. Now clearly we can say that the greatest number is clearly 12, or you can say that 256 power 1 by 12 is the greatest number, that is cube root of 4. So cube root of 4 is the greatest, and this is our answer. I hope you enjoyed my video. Feel free to suggest any topic that you want me to discuss. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Thank you for your support. See you soon.